Good morning, students. This is Rajesh Agarwal, your English teacher. In our previous lecture, we completed our poem 6th, that is Amanda. Now let us do next poem, poem number 7, Animals, written by Walt Whitman. First of all, we will see something about the poet. Walt Whitman, who was born on 1819 and died on 1892, is a major American poet. Actually, it is poet. He broke the tradition of rhymed and metrical poetry. Actually, he broke the tradition. Previously, tradition of rhymes poems. Now he broke that tradition and write new type of poetry. He was famous for writing a revolutionary, new kind of poetry. His poems are almost revolutionary, which was in free verse. He adopted a new style, that is free verse, means there is no rhyme scheme. The poem Animals is from his work Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass. These are Song of Myself, Leaves of Grass is major works, and Animals is a excerpt from this long work. Now let us see something introduction to the poem. In this poem, the poet Walt Whitman admires animals for being better than human beings. The poet wishes to live with animals and to experience a life where no one complains and where everyone is free of sins and sorrows. The most important theme of the poem is not to admire how good animals are, but to compare humans with them in order to focus on the flaws of their nature. The poet believes that probably a very long time ago, humans possessed means ownership, belong, get, own, all the qualities such as calmness, the lack of greed, and the ability to stay happy. But they have now lost them. Means to say, the poet wants to say that in older days, people are having good qualities, but now they lost all the qualities in comparison to animals. Animals still have some good qualities. Now see what is the central idea of the poem. Walt Whitman in the poem Animals wants to tell us that humans have become complicated and false. They have forgotten their true nature. They want to earn more and more so that they can owe more and more luxurious commodities. Commodities means things. Luxury means riches, full of riches. Home means get. They do sins in order to earn, then they repent. They have to repent for their wrongdoings. Their sins have made them restless. They are getting in problems. Humans trouble their companions discussing their duties to God. On the other hand, animals are free from all types of trivial anxieties. Anxieties means worries. Trivial means small. So they are still living their natural life. According to him, animals are complacent. Means there is no complaint from the animal side, and self-contained. Unlike humans, they are always self-contained, means they are always happy with what they have got from the God. So this is the central idea of the. Now let us have a look on the summary of the poem. In the poem Animals, the poet has described his will to become an animal because he thinks animals are far better than human beings. According to poet, animals are better than human beings. So he wants to become an animal. Human beings are greedy and full of jealousy against each other. Humans are always engaged in such type of lower qualities, greed, jealousy, but animals are free from them. But animals are calm and self-contained. Animals are always peaceful and self-contained. self-satisfied. The animals are happy with what they have. Animals always feel happy, whatever the things they have. They never complain about miseries and sorrows. Animals never complain about their miseries, sufferings, problems. On the other hand, human beings complain about their miseries. Human beings are in the habit of complaining again and again to the God about his sufferings. They give more importance to the rich and strong people. Stay restless. Human beings are always in the position of restless, means in problems, because of their wrongdoings. Wrongdoings means sins. Because they did sins in their previous actions, so they always in a problem and run behind the luxurious things of this world. They are always running after the luxurious things of the world, riches of the world. Whereas animals are honest about their relations and don't give importance to a particular class. Animals are always honest about their relations. They never complain against each other. They live a life which is full of honesty and less of greed and jealousy. Means in the life of animals there is no place for greed and jealousy. Their lives are full of honesty. So students, in this way we completed the summary of this poem. Today we have completed the something about the poet, central idea of the poem and summary of the poem. In our next lecture we will do the poem and its explanation. Till then, have a nice day.